First of all, I'd like to introduce about our saitechinfo dashboard. This is a project management system, and it would be very useful for managing our time. And also, we can actually see the progress of our task undertaken also, right? This Kanban board essentially contains three important columns. That is to do, doing, done. To do means that is the things we had to keep ready, and that is the priority job. Then doing means which is nothing but the work in progress, and done means you are completed. So likewise, you will have mainly three columns. Then this can be easily done on a stick pad also. So you can have colorful stick pads, and you can stick it on the billboard, and you can maintain manually also. So one of our students, he has done beautifully this simple Kanban board in his learning studio. Then here the keynotes are visualizing the workflow. That is very, very important application or the use of this Kanban. We can actually uh, visualize, see the workflow so that where the important task is stuck or kept pending, or that is what is the issue behind that. So all these things can be visually inspected. Then we can eliminate waste also. For example, there is no overlapping of tasks, and we can have better time management. Then we can fix some time limits also to each column so that it will improve our productivity. Then we can adopt the push and pull methods. And let me explain about this push and pull. For example, you know very well friction is good, but sometimes it affects the flow. So we need to check the person whether he can handle the push. If you push too hard, then he'll become panic. So do not push too hard. And you can also adopt the pull method. When there is a delay, you can encourage the previous stage operator so that he can understand the ground reality of the situation, the critical aspects of the task. Then we can slowly motivate, and we need to essentially collaborate to make the project a successful one. And we always need some supervision and the monitoring, adapting, improving. So these are all the essential parts. And now let me conduct some demo so that you can understand about the Kanban management. And this can be applied for that is industrial training, but I have given training to our students also for their learning process. But generally speaking, this is applicable for industries, and this will definitely improve our productivity. So this can be effectively made use of. This can be effectively utilized in training programs also. So that is why I wanted to share this important strategy. We organize learning tasks into four clear stages: backlog, ready, work in progress, and done. This ensures focus, progress tracking, and accountability. All tasks start in the backlog. These include lecture notes, watching video tutorials, practice formulation, worksheets, lab scale trials, and project presentation. Once prioritized, tasks are moved to ready. This signals that the learner is prepared to begin working on them in the current session. As the learner engages with the task, it's moved to work in progress. For example, watching a demo video or performing a lab scale trial. Completed tasks go into the done column. Using the Kanban board transforms your learning into a manageable, visual, and result-oriented experience. One task at a time from plan to performance. Join saitechinfo to experience hands-on learning organized through powerful Kanban-based project training. Let's build knowledge with clarity and confidence.